This dress is Fennel, a classic A-lining style, lightweight enough for overseas, and you could put underskirts underneath this if you wanted to, although of course it is made to be worn without. We've sampled this one in champagne. It does of course come all ivory as well. So you've got this really beautiful lace detailing coming down into a sweetheart neckline. You've got shoulder straps, so sleeves could be added to this dress without any problems at all. It does have a zip back, but it will convert to a lace up back quite easily, and you've got a medium length train as you'd expect to see on an A-line dress. That can of course be shortened. You could go floor length or T-length as well, and you can of course still add a belt detailing to this dress if you wanted to give it a little bit of extra sparkle.